Welcome back to Market Cafe, and in just the first 5 days of Navratri, the credit card spend shot up 33% to over 44,000 crores. Now, while the RTGS transactions surged 61% to 44 lakh crores, though the UPI and the debit card spend slipped slightly, the overall transaction value still soared 46% YOY. Let me take it across to Ankur Mishra, who is joining us with some more interesting numbers. Ankur.
Yes, interesting numbers from first 5 days of Navratri as far as payments are concerned, and let us start with credit cards, which is an interesting data. From September 22 to 26, we compared with first 5 days of Navratri in 2024, and that was October 3 to October 7. And we have found that 44,526 crore is the spending which has been done by the users in this period, and which is 33% more. Let me also talk about the granular data. If you talk about the day one, this already surpassed 12,945 crore, which was 53% more than the last year. And however, if you talk about day 2, day 3, it consistently maintained the run rate of 30%. And overall, as you can see, 33% was the figure which was there for credit card, but same figure is not there for debit cards. If you talk about debit cards, 10% lower figures are there, and overall granular details does say that yes, on day one debit card transactions did surge, but overall it did dip as the week gone by. And although if you talk about day 4, which we have done like to like comparison, the data says that 6% more spending was done, that is on Thursday, Thursday last week, compared to what happened on October 6th last year. But overall, yes, the data says that 10% downtick is there for debit card spending. If you see about UPI, that there is also a slight dip, or it has maintained the kind of spending which was done in the same period. You can see 4.1 lakh crore is the figure which is there for UPI spending, and that is down 2% if you do like to like comparison with last year. But there is also details coming in for IMPS, the quick transactions which people use for transfers. There also 6% downtick is there for IMPS transactions. And it started on day 1. If you talk about the granular data, 17% down on day 1 if you talk about comparison with last year. Similarly, day 2 was also down around 19%, which later on picked on of day 4 and day 5. And if you talk about particularly our day 4, it did pick on around 50%. And that remained around 21,619 crore IMPS transactions, which happened on last week on Thursday. So day 4, there was slight pickup in IMPS as well as debit card transactions. But let's also take a look on the other transactions which are there. You talk about RTGS, and that is something which is given the big booster. RTGS, you can see the overall figure 44.92 lakh crore, and how much is the change? The change is 61%. The RTGS has been used quite a lot this time if you compared with the last Navratri, and all the days almost it is beaten by between 10 to 50%, even the day-wise comparison. But more importantly, let's also take the big picture where we stand on day 5 of the Navratri spending last week. Overall, the like-to-like comparison of last year and this year needs to be kept in mind, because last time when we compared, it was from Thursday till Tuesday. But this time we are comparing Monday to Friday. So yes, the weekend data is yet to come, but overall if you see, the data is suggesting that we have spent quite a lot compared to last year.
All right, thanks Ankur for all those details. On that note, we'll take a very short break.